Is your Android phone acting like it's got headphones plugged in, even when they're nowhere to be found? You're not alone, and thankfully, this headphone mode issue is fixable. First things first, let's check the obvious: the physical headphone jack. Sometimes, dust or debris can get lodged in there, tricking your phone into thinking something is plugged in. Grab a soft, dry brush, like a small toothbrush or even some compressed air. Use short bursts from a distance, and gently clean out the port. Be careful not to force anything inside. Next up, even though it sounds counterintuitive, try plugging your headphones back in for a few seconds, and then unplugging them firmly. Sometimes, a good connection and disconnection can reset the sensor. Give it a wiggle as you unplug to ensure a clean break. Now, let's dive into your phone settings. Go to your main settings app. You're looking for an option related to sound or audio on most Android devices. This is simply labeled sound or sound and vibration. Within the sound settings, you should find an option to manage audio output or something similar. Tap on that here. You'll typically see choices for where your audio should play: phone speaker or headphones. Make sure phone speaker is selected. If you're still stuck, a quick reboot can often work wonders. Simply press and hold the power button on your phone and select restart or reboot. This refreshes the operating system and can clear temporary glitches. Finally, on some newer Android versions, there's a hidden developer option that can sometimes influence audio routing. To enable developer options, go to Settings, then About Phone, and rapidly tap on the build number several times until you see a message saying you're a developer. Then go back to Settings, find Developer Options, and look for anything related to Bluetooth or audio routing that might be forcing headphone output. However, be cautious when changing developer options, as incorrect settings can cause other issues. If you're unsure, it's best to skip this step. If none of these steps work, your headphone jack sensor might be physically damaged, and you may need to consult your device manufacturer or a professional repair service. But for most cases, one of these simple fixes should get your sound back where it belongs.